literally just face palmed myself.
This is Colin. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Excuse me? You're really cute. What are you guys up to? Sure. Can I have a sip?
Yeah.
So, how was today?
It was an experience for sure. And I'm Colin, I'm 25 years old. I do landscape design. I was in a very long relationship for about 6.5 years, so I lost my touch, forgot how to flirt, even talk to anybody in general. It was a very toxic relationship.
Any last words before we start?
Wish me luck.
You've watched countless videos.
I know, I have, but like...
It's gonna be okay. Yeah? He's questioning his life choices right now.
I am. Excuse me? Hey, you're really cute. I was just walking with my friend. I had to come tell you. What are you guys up to today? Not much. Just chilling?
Yeah.
You guys from around here?
No.
No? Okay, well. You guys take it easy, okay? The vibe wasn't there, but I did it.
That was good.
Wasn't as bad as I thought.
No.
They weren't interested, but it's okay.
Hold on.
I drew a blank. I didn't know how to continue the conversation.
Your conclusion after an interaction should never be that people don't want to talk or that they're not interested. They're not interested in whatever side of you that you showed them in that moment. Okay? You didn't show them who you are, right? Like they have a very narrow perspective on who you are based on how you behave. You didn't inspire them, that much excitement. But had you behaved differently, you would have had a different outcome. So I do remember you said you're extremely beautiful. I just wanted to let you know that. You're not a messenger. You're not delivering a message. Try to talk to people like you know them already. But that was good. That was good that you went for it. It's a start.
2 girls, it's a warm-up.
You have to start somewhere.
Yeah. They were talking about fiancés. Come on.
Who gives a fuck what they were talking about? Maybe they just watched The Bachelor yesterday.
I'm checking in.
Man. You can't make an assumption based on something you overheard, bro.
Okay, right, that's true. That's true.
Insane.
Okay.
Insane.
Okay. Excuse me? Hey, I saw you back there, and you look great today.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. What are you guys up to today?
I'm gonna go take a nap with my dog.
Man. Dang, well, he's lucky. I guess take it as a compliment.
Thank you.
Yeah, take it easy, guys.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's super bold of you.
Have to do it. Fucking did it.
How was that?
Personally, I saw an improvement.
Yeah, there is. There is. I agree.
From the first
the vibe
two.
was better.
Yeah.
The compliment was better. She even told you, it's super
that's
forward.
super bold. Yeah.
She said bold or forward?
She said bold. Very bold of me.
Look at you.
Now I gotta do it.
Look at you.
So I see improvement, but her friend was speaking for her. Oh well, she has a boyfriend. I was like, can she not speak for herself?
So you should say that next time. Like, hey, are you the spokesperson or something?
Yeah.
What's going on? Like always.
But I censored myself,
Sometimes someone is being serious, and then you sort of like integrate that and you become rigid, but it's like there's always a side door. You can always joke with people.
Right. I guess it being a group, even though that's like you said, that's all in my head.
Bonus points if you can get a sip of their drink.
Just do it?
Yeah, just do it.
Excuse me, hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. I saw you and I thought you were really, really cute. So I'm meeting some friends here later and I was just coming to check the place out.
Yeah.
What is that?
Have you been here before?
I haven't.
Yeah.
I've actually never been this far down the Beltline.
Are you from here?
I am. I was born here, but I've lived all over.
Oh, okay.
And you?
No, I honestly just moved here last month, so I just got a job and moved here.
Oh, awesome. That's
So
awesome.
this is my second time here, but I've loved it so far.
You like Atlanta?
These are the pouches.
Can I have a sip?
Yeah.
Sweet.
They're so good. It's tequila and something else. I'm not sure.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it's good. You should get
That's
one.
delicious. And I'm Colin. Nice to meet you guys. Are you guys from here now?
I'm from here, but I don't live here anymore. I'm visiting.
So where do you live now? I got to catch up with my friend.
Yeah.
Would you put down and grab drinks later? Maybe not tonight, but
Yeah.
another day? Sure.
Yeah, sure.
I can get your number.
Okay.
Is that bonus points for another sip of your drink? When we go out, first round's on me, okay?
Sounds good.
Awesome.
Have a good rest of your day.
Yeah, you too. Have fun, guys.
Older. Extra points for second seat.
Extra points for second sip. Hey, it was good. It was a very good drink.
That was great.
My mom didn't raise no pussy. I actually didn't really feel any anxiety. Maybe a little bit.
I mean, come on. Let me rewind you the beginning of
I mean, at first, yeah, in the beginning.
like
but once I was there, it was kind of just the conversation was flowing, you know. I guess it's more, I'm shocked I did it, you know? Like, if I feel like if I was by myself, never, ever. I would have came up with 1,000,001 excuses. Oh, she's with her friends. She's trying to enjoy a drink with her friends. She doesn't want to talk to me, but, you know, clearly that's not the case.
You're a good surprise. Everything's fine.
Don't rehearse it. Just be yourself. You know, don't be a robot. Be genuine and be yourself. And that's when people are really gonna like you and be interested in talking to you. I love your tattoo.
Oh, thank you.
What are you guys up to today?
We're gonna go to Ponce now.
Ponce?
Yeah.
Just chilling?
Just chilling.
Well, you're really cute. Yeah, you look great today, actually. Where did you get your tattoos done at? Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
Brazil. Wow. I was in Colombia this summer.
Well, how old are you?
25.
Okay.
And you guys?
I'm 31.
No, I'll tell you, you don't look like it.
Oh, thank you.
I mean, I gotta catch up with my friend. Would you be down there like grab drinks later? Maybe not tonight, but I'm free tonight too.
She's free tonight too.
Oh, you're free tonight. Your friend is saying you're free tonight.
I told him we're just gonna chill tonight.
It's a party city, right?
Real?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love to party.
Yeah.
So I need to go visit.
Yeah. Definitely. São Paulo is also very party city too.
I might get out of your hair, so you down for drinks later?
Not tonight.
Not tonight. Another day.
You can get, I don't know, my Instagram and then maybe we can talk.
Okay. Yeah, I'll take your Instagram. Sure. Sure.
Why do you know speaking Spanish?
Huh?
Because you've been to Colombia speaking English.
I know actually quite a bit of Spanish. I can understand a lot.
She can speak
So
Spanish.
puedes hablar
Really?
en español.
One more time? I speak Spanish? All right, well, I got to catch up with him.
Okay.
So you guys have fun.
have
Enjoy
fun.
the rest of your day. Thanks.
Man is unstoppable now.
Yeah.
At the beginning, you were a bit struggling.
Yeah.
I honestly thought you were gonna like live it.
I almost bailed, but
But then you managed to get back on your feet. So it was good. But it's also a good reference point that sometimes it doesn't start amazing,
Yeah.
but it doesn't matter. You can flip the situation.
I just feel less and less anxious every single time. It's just becoming more like just talking to people. That's what it is. Feel good.
Okay.
It's making me, they're just humans. Excuse me, I had to just tell you, you look great today.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, what are you guys up to?
We're just gonna go back to our place and just hang out.
It's a beautiful afternoon.
Beautiful afternoon. We were just outside.
All day?
Enjoying the beautiful weather.
It's a beautiful.
Yeah.
Man.
I appreciate the compliment.
Yeah. So I was wondering after. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. It's been a long day. So what are you doing? Like, you have any plans for next weekend?
So I have a boyfriend. I do.
Oh
I know.
man,
I know.
that sucks. Oh, but I have to come tell you. Just take it as a compliment. I guess. Yeah. Have fun, guys. Ran into a brick wall on that one. Literally, I just face palmed myself in front of them.
That's also to show that progress is not linear.
Yeah.
And it's not because you have like a bolder moment with 3 blondes at the bar that like after everything is smooth sailing. Like life is complex, But that's good that you went for it.
I did it. I'm excited to, keep doing it on the daily. Stop censoring myself and, get out there. So am I going to regret not talking to that person, or am I going to regret not saying that, like, when I go to bed tonight? And that's kind of the mentality I'm going to have. I'm going to regret it. I'm going to just start doing it. Hey, excuse me. You look great today. I had to come tell you.
Thank you.
What are you up to today?
Just got home.
Going home?
Yeah.
What you been up to? Just chilling?
Chilling.
Enjoying the day?
Yep.
Yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up.
Yeah. What about you?
Been here with my friend. I actually just left him to come talk to him.
Oh.
Yeah. I told him I'd be right back. Well, he's walking that way, so I'll catch up with him later. So, you got any plans for tonight after later?
I'm actually gay.
You're gay.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
But if you're looking for like a best friend, like
Hell yeah. I'm always down for friends. I'm always down for friends. Are you from here?
yeah.
Okay, cool,
Yeah.
cool.
What
Me
about
too.
you?
I've lived here most of my life.
Yeah.
I lived in Hawaii for a little bit.
No way.
Yeah. What's your name? Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
Colin.
Nice to meet you, Colin.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna go back to my friend. It's okay.
Do you have like Instagram or something?
Yeah, awesome. I'm gonna follow you. Hey, new friend.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Nice to
for
meet you
real.
too. I see you. I did it. I didn't feel any like nervous at all. I kind of took a deep breath right before I approached her and just did it. You know?
And also, it's a cool interaction because even though there is no, even though she was like not interested technically,
She was very-
like, oh,
Yeah.
I'm happy to meet friends, and you're like, that's also nice. You know? That goes to show that this is about talking to people. You know? And you never know what can come up.
Right.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching?
Just stop. Get rid of the anxiety. It's all in your head. Get out of your head. Just do it. Live life. People are nice.
Any last word?
Hit this guy up if you need. He's the best, man. He's got it. So just do it. Stop holding back. Stop censoring yourself. Just do it.